Hello everyone. Today, we'll be learning how to use the slider joint in Autodesk Fusion 360. This joint allows components to move in a straight line. Let's get started. First, we need components that will slide against each other, such as a bar moving inside a track. Next, go to the Assemble tab and select Joint, or press J on your keyboard. In the Joint window, choose Motion Type as Slider. Click to select the surface of the component that will move and the surface of the track where it will slide. Select the direction, then click OK to create the joint. To make the motion more realistic, we can set movement limits. Double-click the slider joint in the browser, then go to Motion. Enable limits and define the movement range, such as -75 mm to 75 mm. You can also preview the joint limit animation. Once you are satisfied, click OK. That's how you use the slider joint in Fusion 360. It helps simulate sliding motion with precision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.